I am just gonna add on the finishing touch, which is the suede zipper pull. All I'm gonna do is measure about 8 inches. And I'm gonna use my rotary cutter, trim it. And I'm actually gonna use my scissors, and I'm gonna cut the end just at a diagonal. I just like the way it looks when I tie it. So both ends at a diagonal. Push it through the tiny little end of your zipper. Make sure that the ends line up. Pulling them together. And then I'm just gonna simply make a knot. Pull both ends through. Pull tight. And there's the zipper pull. They're done.